Hello everyone, this is another Sony VHS VCR and the same model SLV-575UC. As you can see, the display is working fine, has a UV meter, and there is a high quality input and fully control on the left and right input level, audio input level. This is a hi-fi, and if you remember, audio cassettes has a input level control, and this is the same, but this is a much higher quality than the compact audio cassettes, because this is a hi-fi and using this rotary head to record the video, not linear. Record the linear, but the audio may audio also records on the hi-fi with the head. That means if you use a tape that records hi-fi, use this machine like this hi-fi, play the hi-fi, but the regular non-hi-fi VCR uses linear head. Okay, this is what has some problem. Usually these models has a broken gear, blue gear, that in this case it looks like good. Other one is gummed up this guide. As you can see, this is in this case this is working fine, and also gummed up this pinch roller. This looks like working fine, and let's see, this everything is aligned. Look, this cam gear looks like aligned with the hole, and pinch roller gear aligned with the hole too. Alignment is good, but I have this small problem here. See, this gear broken, one teeth. It looks like other teeth is okay, and also this red gear, see, if I zoom in, looks like we missed one teeth of this red gear too. Looks like, I'm not sure. The previous one that I showed in my video in my channel, I put this, had this broken, this gear. This is the same as this one. Let me see this, how many, a lot more than teeth is broken, this one. But this one, so far I see one. Broken exactly the same place. Same place as this one. It's compared with this one, exactly the same location. But this one is broken here too. Anyway, I don't know how this machine is working. Now before that, I use this tape. This is cut the tape. I use this tape just for testing this the transport, lifting the system, loading system is working or not. Then okay, it looks like when I'm playing. Now mechanism is tool guide is here, and pinch roller looks fine, and tape is playing. But problem is, do you see this? Do you hear this noise? Kurt, this noise. It's coming from here, this pinch roller shaft. Now watch when I'm pushing inside towards this pinch roller, gone. Now, if I push opposite side, get worse. We have bed shaft here. This is a common tool that go bad in these models. Looks like everything else is, and yeah. Okay, let's use the real tape. I covered here. There is a small tape for testing. Let me iron. Okay, I remove this tape. Now let's use this normal. Okay, now playing. Looks like everything is the same, and see this counter. Yeah, UV meter, everything is playing, looks like normal, and I don't see any problem here. Tape guide, and it should be. Problem is here, only let go. Yeah, we have that shaft. But now look here, when I'm pushing this start button, doing nothing, fast forward, doing nothing, rewind, doing nothing, and pause, doing nothing. But when I use this jiggle button for fast forward, is working fine. But now when you're using this juggle button, after releasing, put the tape in the pause mode. Now tape in the pause mode. Now when pushing the play, starting working again. Now this time I want to push this pause button. It doesn't work, do nothing. Now this is a channel button. See, I push the negative. Now put the machine on the high speed fast forward. The Sony has this feature, this button here, that when putting in this mode, separate the tape from the head and starting the rewind with the fast speed. This is a good speed, but the interesting thing is when I'm pushing this channel negative, starting doing that. This is now the stop button in this mode is working. Again, doing nothing as the rest of the button after that playing. The machine is messed up here. The problem is in this button. I think probably when you're using the remote control, is working fine. The only way that I can stop the tape, I just push this eject button. Yeah. Machine is working fine, but problem is here. Okay, let's I'm trying to show you. And now it's playing. The picture is not bad. I show you a couple. Yeah, this is the Iron Man, the X-Men. I cannot show more than that. And you saw that this picture is fine. No problem, but main problem is in this keys doesn't work. You need to look at here some maybe circuit damage, cracked circuit, or the flex cable that go here is bad. I'm not sure. Well, it looks like mechanism itself is working fine. The one broken teeth that this is looks like doesn't affect the alignment, but the problem is with worn. Okay. Worn capstan shaft. That common in these machines. So. Other than that, looks like working fine. You can use this juggle button for the scan mode, rewind on the scan mode. Anyway, thank you for watching. Need to open here is difficult, but I hopefully in the next video I will show how this open and what is the inside, and this can fixable or not. Okay, thank you for watching.